My name is Christopher Barnes, and I am the managing partner here at Barnds Law. Barnds Law was started in 2018. When I originally started the firm, I saw a real need for individuals and families to have more than just legal representation. They needed someone who could serve as a guide through what are often some of the most challenging and difficult periods in an individual's life. Try to take a special approach when people are coming in the door to let them know they're welcome, to let them know they're accepted just as they're coming in. And then we take time from the very beginning, from the initial consultation, to really try to get to know the individual, their story, what makes them tick and move, and what's really important to them. We make that a priority from the very beginning so the whole foundation of the case can be built off that.
Yes, so I actually started at Barnds Law when I had just graduated from law school and had just passed the bar exam. And one thing I was really focused on finding was a law firm that was collaborative, that had the mentorship opportunities I was looking for, and ultimately that had the same values that I did. And so one thing that's really unique about Barnds Law is that we value candor. We value transparency, and we want to make sure that everyone feels seen and heard and guided through this process.
I couldn't be more proud of the staff we have here. We certainly do, in our hiring process, make sure we start with people understanding what our core values are. One of those is unimpeachable character. And the reason why we use the word unimpeachable is because we, again, want to create and ensure that in our workforce, that no matter what happens, no matter how difficult the situation might become, no matter how stressful it might rise, that their character, their kindness, their integrity is going to be maintained, and that's not going to waver throughout the process.
You know, I think what makes Barnds Law unique is, again, the fact that when you hire us, although you're going to have a primary attorney and a primary paralegal, you basically have the support of the entire office. And that's important because, I mean, sometimes lawyers get sick, sometimes there's a car accident, and if something happens, there's always somebody able and willing to jump in and take care of something on a day if for whatever reason I can't. And that's, you know, having backup.
As a practitioner and as an owner and manager of the firm, what I have found the most rewarding, and in speaking with other attorneys in the firm, what they also find the most rewarding about the practice we do here, is the real changes we can make in individuals' lives. Please know that at Barnds Law, we're here to listen, we're here to care, and we're here to help. And if there's any service or help we can provide to you, please reach out. You can call, you can email, you can walk in the front door, and we'll be here for you.